Today, the financial industry is undergoing a tremendous transformation, with various forces putting stress on growth and spotlighting opportunities. To stay ahead, a financial institute needs to work towards a differentiated customer experience by improving speed to market, creating new business models, and embracing the power of digital technologies. We believe that with TCS, you will find a strategic partner with similar values and an innovation mindset to transform banking services and deliver exponential value in the shortest possible time. TCS aspires to deliver its flagship banking product, TCS Banks, a fit-for-purpose, US-ready and value-centric solution. Speaking of US-ready, TCS Solutions has been pioneering new heights in growth, revenue, talent and innovation over the last 6 years. We are focused on pushing the boundaries of innovation for our diverse clientele, building infrastructure that is truly critical to their business. With a rich network of more than 85 clients across the country, we are ushering in new banking experiences to become a digital powerhouse where award-winning core technology replatforming can happen after deploying TCS Bank's core solutions. With implementation in over 96 markets and ranked as a leader for core banking by a leading industry analyst firm for 12 years in a row.
Tata Consultancy Services is a global company with a rich tradition of technology and research. In other words, the perfect company to help us realize the vision of Cornell Tech. The Tata Innovation Center takes that idea to a whole new level by literally bringing students, entrepreneurs, and tech companies under the same roof.
The TCS Bank's financial suite of products uses an approach that leverages our domain expertise and co-innovation networks to deliver exponential value. TCS Banks has been designed in line with our cloud-first, digital-first philosophy, and today it collectively manages and processes 1.7 billion global accounts, servicing more than 25% of the world's population. It is the largest population of components, enterprise, and consumer apps for the financial industry, made available via cloud, helping firms scale up while remaining agile and intelligent by leveraging the power of data through new and extended ecosystem. So as we embark on a whole new journey, we are excited to be considered as your co-navigators, and we look forward to scaling new peaks as we set the pace for the entire industry using TCS Banks as a compass.